Welcome to Living Deliciously with Phil. I'm Black Phillip, your devilishly adorable goat host. Follow me as I take culinary adventures throughout Southern California and I bake devilishly good treats. This week we're making chocolate fudgy brownies. You're going to begin with 2 sticks of butter. Dost thou like the taste of butter? Then thou is going to love the taste of brown butter. You brown the butter on the pan until it looks golden brown and the room is filled with a utterly divine scent of caramel. Remove the brown butter from the heat, then add in 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now my bougie acolytes will say you must use Dutch powder, but darlings, this is Living Deliciously with Phil. Use any cocoa powder you have on hand because we can live deliciously even on a budget. Add 2 tablespoons of coarse chopped chocolate to your mixture. Then blend together and let it develop. While that is developing, you're going to work on your wet ingredients. Add 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional, but 1 tablespoon of coffee or espresso, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. You can go as generous or as low as you'd like on the other ingredients. Along with vanilla extract, some have tried almond extract, and that is also divine and devilishly good. If you don't like the cinnamon, skip it, darlings. This is your brownies. Do what you want. So, as we vigorously whisk in our 3 eggs, you're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar to the mix. Whisk vigorously. The more airy and combined and less gritty your mix is, the crispier the top of your brownies will be. Now you're going to use 1 to 3/4 cup of flour that you will mix in, and do so slowly because it can get very messy with the blender. I speak from experience. Yes, Black Phillip was covered in flour. So, once everything is well combined, shiny, and just perfect looking, you're going to add in another cup of chocolate chips. Or chopped chocolate. It is up to you, darlings. You're going to put it in an 8-inch pan at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. I recommend 19 to 20 minutes for a gooier brownie. So please follow for more delicious adventures with me, Black Phillip. Let's live deliciously.